Hello everyone, in this video we are going to study differentiation by chain rule, and this is tested in O-levels additional mathematics and also relevant for A-levels mathematics P1. So let's start. For example, if you have been given an equation y is equal to 2x plus 3 raised to the power 8 and you need to find the gradient function. So the first thing is that you can expand this by the binomial expansion formula, and obviously this would be a quite lengthier process. So there is an alternative method and a more efficient method which is called chain rule. So what you need to do is substitute this 2x plus 3, this algebraic expression, with another variable. Let's say u is equal to 2x plus 3, so du over dx would be equal to 2. Alright, and since you can write u in place of 2x plus 3, so you can also write it like this: y is equal to u raised to the power 8. So dy over du would be equal to 8u raised to the power 7. So what happens next is that you need to find dy over dx, right? So in order to find dy over dx, you need to make a chain rule. Means what's the third variable which we have introduced? That is du. So dy over du multiplied by du over dx. So obviously du and du will be cancelled out and the remaining outcome will be dy over dx. So dy over dx exactly means that dy over du multiplied by du over dx. So what's dy over du? It is 8u raised to the power 7 multiplied by du over dx, that is a constant term 2. This gives you 16u raised to the power 7. Alright, but we need dy over dx, means the original function must be, the gradient function must be in the form of x. So what was the original substitution you made earlier? That was u is equal to 2x plus 3. So all you need to do is substitute this here again. This will be 16 multiplied by 2x plus 3 raised to the power 7. So this is your gradient function dy over dx. Alright, so okay, here you have an other method to check if your answer is correct or not. Let me just say, is this whole working? Basically talking about the general rules of differentiation. First thing you have studied earlier, that y is equal to x raised to the power n. So dy over dx becomes like this. N, the power is multiplied here as a constant and 1 is subtracted from the power. Another rule is if the equation of the curve is given like this: y is equal to ax plus b and whole thing is raised to the power n. So the gradient function dy over dx becomes like this. The power is multiplied here outside, becomes a constant, and ax plus b comes as it is, and the 1 is subtracted from the power, and this expression, this algebraic expression within the brackets, is differentiated and multiplied outside. So this becomes like this: na multiplied by ax plus b whole thing raised to the power n minus 1. Alright, so what's next? How do we prove that the chain rule answer was correct or not? Let me just erase the working again. Y is equal to 2x plus 3 raised to the power 8. So this means dy over dx is equal to 8 multiplied by 2x plus 3 as it is, and raised to the power 8 minus 1 means 7, and this whole algebraic expression is differentiated and it's multiplied outside, means multiplied by 2. So 16 multiplied by 2x plus 3 raised to the power 7. This is your final answer. Alright, so let's take a look at some few examples. So here we have another example: y is equal to 2 divided by 5x squared minus 1 whole thing raised to the power 4. Alright, so what we can do is take a substitution. U is equal to 5x squared minus 1. So du over dx would be equal to 10x. Alright, and since you know that 5x squared minus 1 can be substituted with a variable u, so this would be written y is equal to 2 over u raised to the power 4. So this can become like this: y is equal to 2u raised to the power minus 4. Alright, so dy over du would be minus 8 raised to the power minus 8u raised to the power minus 5. So this becomes like this: minus 8 divided by u raised to the power 5. Alright, we need to find dy over dx, so we will apply the chain rule formula. So chain rule will be dy over dx dy over dx is equal to dy over du multiplied by du over dx. Alright, so dy over du is minus 8 over u raised to the power 5 multiplied by du over dx is 10x. Alright, so this becomes like this: minus 80x upon u raised to the power 5. But wait a minute, we need dy over dx, so whole thing must be in the form of x. So what was u? U is 5x squared minus 1. So your final answer is dy over dx is equal to minus 80x divided by 5x squared minus 1 whole thing raised to the power 5. Thank you for watching.